Away from that, as investors seek more capital, emphasis is put on utilization of collective investment schemes, a key source for private capital. Capital Markets Authority quarterly bulletin for June, CIS managers had a total of 1.97 trillion shillings in assets under management, representing an 11.9% surge from the previous quarter. Producer Mumbele reports.
When I talk about a collective investment scheme, it is simply an investment vehicle, okay? So you have different individuals coming together and contributing into a common pool. So once they have contributed into this common pool, you have a professional fund manager investing the funds on their behalf, okay? But this manager will invest based on constraints as laid out in the documents that constitute the collective investment scheme.
At the close of March 2023, collective investment schemes managers had a total of 1,757.3 billion in assets under management, representing a growth of 7.9% from 1,628.6 billion at the end of December 2022. A total of assets under management grew by 53.3% in the annualized basis from 1,146.2 billion recorded in a similar period of 2022. In the dynamic world of investment, there is a concept that highlights the strength of pooling resources and having a professional manager invest in collective investment schemes. Dixon Tsembuye, the Director Research at Capital Markets Authority, notes that collective investment schemes are regulated by Capital Markets Authority, therefore they are free from fraud.
In addition to that, a collective investment scheme is a regulated product, okay? Ugandans have lost their hard-earned money to investment scams. Okay, Ugandans have lost money as a result of investing in products that are not regulated. But with regulated products, it essentially means that should anything go wrong, okay, you have recourse. And again, for regulated products, as a regulator, the Capital Markets Authority ensures that it only lets into the market those who have the capacity to manage investments on behalf of Ugandans.
A total number of funded collective investment schemes accounts at the end of March 2023 was 44,434 compared to 40,201 active investor accounts at the end of previous quarter, an increase of 10.5%. The growth in assets under management and investor accounts was attributed to an increased awareness about the benefits of investing through collective investment schemes vehicle among the local investors. However, there has been some controversy in the industry as to whether the income distribution made to the unit holder should be subjected to tax and how in practice this tax should be imposed. This is because the industry urges that the product was meant to be a tax-free investment vehicle for both the unit holder and the unit trust to encourage savings.
Why URA wanted to penalize, wanted to start taxing the returns that come out of those monies, yeah, out of the CISs, the collective investment schemes, yeah. But the players and the public made a serious outcry, and they said, please don't tax our returns so that we can maintain some kind of good return for a rainy day. And also, it's supposed to be ideally the rationale of setting up unit trusts and those CSIs was primarily for retirement.
What are some of the disadvantages? The fact that you have a professional manager making investment decisions on your behalf can, to some, be construed as a loss of control. Okay, some investors might feel that they've lost control over the investments. Okay, so that can be considered to be a disadvantage. Okay.
Assets under management by asset allocation at the end of March 2023 indicates that allocation to government of Uganda bonds took up to 76.3% of the total asset under management, followed by fixed deposits at 14.2% and government treasury bills at 4.1%. This indicates a market dominated by collective investment schemes funds with interest-bearing instruments as the underlying assets. Bedson Mumbere, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.
We now shift our focus to ghost workers inquest. The parliamentary committee